Hey friends, it's Brittany Winery with the Wolek Group at Keller Realty. I am out here in Collinsville giving you guys a sneak peek of this amazing new listing. Let's take a walking tour. So as we walk out here, one of my favorite things is the location of this property. Downtown Collinsville is just a short walk down that road, which is amazing. And of course, the front of this home is very adorable. It's a one-story home with 2 beds, 1 full bath, a great living room and kitchen, indoor laundry, and an amazing garage. So let's head on inside and take a look at this home. So as we head on inside here, you're gonna notice the living room is very open. Has beautiful can lights. And of course, really nice windows for natural light. The paint in here is awesome. The color is a very neutral, it's like a beige gray. It's really pretty. And as we come around here, you come into the kitchen. So over here off to the side, there's a great nook for your dining table. And of course, lots of cabinets and counter space. All the way to the ceiling cabinets, which is really nice. No wasted space at all. There's beautiful new flooring that was just installed. And of course, your indoor washer dryer, which is awesome. And then we'll go out to the garage here in just a little bit. So let's turn back around here and check out the bedrooms and the full bath. So here's the full bathroom. Lots of counter space and cabinets for storage. A great shower and tub. And of course, that new flooring was also done in the bathroom. We have a linen closet straight ahead. And then our first bedroom right here. So great size closet over there to the left. I opened up that window there just so we could get some natural light in here. And then of course, more space and another window. And check out this adorable desk. So you got the built-in desk with Edison bulb lighting. Great use of space. And then we come into the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. Again, lots of natural light. That beautiful paint color in here, neutral. And another super cute desk or cutout for furniture. And this would kind of be considered your master, and the only reason why I say that is because check out this amazing closet. So this closet is big and has lots of space. You could come in and add some more racks or even hide away some of your bigger furniture in here, like drawers and things like that. So it's your master closet. And then let's go check out the garage because it's just too good not to share. And of course, you guys can come join me on Sunday between 2 and 4 p.m. for a private tour of this home. So as we head out here, this garage is enormous. The ceiling height is so high. It is a true 2-car garage. And I'd even say it goes a little bit further than a true 2-car. You've got all this space over here for storage. And then the really cool part is you have these great bonus rooms. So right here, there are 2 phenomenal bonus rooms. This one in here has its own garage door. So you could use this if you have a riding lawnmower or some other fun toys for the kids or whatever. You could throw that in here and even just use it for Christmas storage or things that you don't want to have to get up into the attic for. Really nice. And then this is more of like a workshop. So there's a nice built-in bench for, or table for working. And then of course the pegboard for your tools, and you know, your lawnmower could come out here. Just another great room for storage that is inside your garage, safe and protected. So for more information on this awesome listing in Collinsville, call or text 918-698-0661. See you guys soon.